Hi, this is Amy Tate with Insider Travel Report, and I'm here with Niall Rochford at the Ashford Castle in Ireland. Now, Niall, can you tell me a little bit about the different activities that guests can experience when they're here?
Sure, Amy. I mean, what we believe we have is probably the most complete resort experience anywhere in Ireland in particular, maybe in the UK, maybe in Europe. Right now we have 35 different activities, all on property, all within 5 minutes from the front door of the castle. I believe you experienced the falconry yesterday. That's probably the most exciting experience that we have. Guests come and they hear about falconry, but when they experience it, it's exceptional. From 1 year old right up to 90 years of age, it's about bringing the falcons into the environment locally and just having that amazing experience. It's not a demonstration. You get involved and you get the bird to land in your hand within the forests in Ashford. So that's just one of the 35. We also have our equestrian centre and Ashford Outdoors. So we stable our own horses. We've got clay shooting. We've got archery. We've got tree climbing. We've got zip cording. And that's one family just look after that. And that's the Cleshams. And that's second generation. Then we've probably one of the largest, we've second largest lake in all of Ireland, Loch Corrib. And it's some of the best trout fishing in all of Europe. And our river here, which is the River Cong, that's some of the best salmon fishing in all of Ireland. And Frank Costello is third generation gillie on property, so he brings our guests out to experience that, and he has a great chat with them. And if you catch your fish, we go out to one of the islands and you cook it on a stove. So it's really kind of down to earth type of thing. We have the Luskins who bring our lake cruiser out onto the island, out into the lake as well, and tell great stories and have some singing on the boat. And we have our own 9-hole golf course. So there's so much to do. So we always recommend that guests maybe not stay one night, maybe not even 2 nights, but 3 nights to get the real experience of the Ashford Estate. And again, the beauty of the thing is you could cocoon yourself away for 3 days and not need or want to leave the estate. So lots to do.
And that really is amazing, the falconry, and there's another video about that, so check that out. And can you tell me a little bit about the dining options that you offer here?
Yeah, we're very lucky. Mrs. Tolman, who's the president and founder of Red Carnation Hotels, she has a passion for food. And as a result, then, we have so many options on property. We have 8 dining options on property because we have the castle and we have the lodge. So in the castle here, we have the George V restaurant, which is probably our highest expression of what we do here. Chef Philippe does a wonderful job. We have afternoon tea in this room. Lady Ardlon used to take afternoon tea here in the 1800s, so that tradition still holds to this day. And we also have the tea set that Lady Ardlon used during that time, so that's still here. We have the drawing room, which is all-day dining. We have the dungeon restaurant, which is downstairs in the dungeon, and it's a great experience down there. Lots of great steaks, lots of great food. And then we've Collins at the Cottage, very much seafood, and also Mrs. Tolman's favourite menus are prominent in that area. In the lodge at Ashford, then, we have the Key Bar, where you've got great traditional Irish fare, and then Wiles at the lodge is real Irish, new Irish contemporary cooking. So again, lots of areas, and that's not to forget our wine cellar, where we do wine tastings, and also we do food pairings there as well. So lots of options. The one new thing that we have coming on board in the next couple of months is Stanley's, which is an all-day American diner. So it's on a counter, 12 seats, and you can come in and get hash brown and eggs and omelets and waffles all day from 7:30 until 5 o'clock in the afternoon. So you'll be busy on the outdoors and you won't go hungry. But all
Definitely.
great quality. And we also work very closely with our local artisan producers. So everything that we do, there's a lot of thought put into it, with our local fisheries, with our local meat producers, vegetables, and that's really important to Mrs. Tolman and also to us here on the Ashford Estate.
And all of it is absolutely lovely. I've got to experience some of that, and thank you for that. So again, thank you for showing me this lovely property, and it's great to check out that other video for the falconry as well. So Niall, thank you so much. And this is Amy Tate with Insider Travel Report.